that guy laying on the ground right there? You see him, Josh? 165. You ready to shoot him? You ready?
Down, he's dead.
Oh, is he dead?
Yeah, the group I was shooting at earlier. Right
Oh. Oh, okay. No, you talking? No, no, no. These guys. He's up. He's up. He's got a ghillie suit on. He's one. God.
Getting shot at.
Yeah, there's guys moving up the hillside, southeast, 195. Or no, it's not. Yeah, south. They're to our right, too. I was shooting.
We gotta
Are you
get
talking
going.
about the guys that are directly southeast?
We gotta get going.
Let's.
Yeah.
Here, come with me. Follow me. Follow me. We're going up the side of this mountain. Going up here. Ah, shit.
We got a minute and
Shot,
5.
sniper shots from the east. 105.
I'm taking gunshot.
Shit. Yeah, come down here, come down here, come down here. Not to run. Alright, we're close to... We have to go towards the guys you're getting shot at. Or we could move to the left. There's also a sniper to our 105. I'm looking for him.
I got that one from the hill.
I wish I had a sniper rifle. Did any of those guys who could have energy drinks?
I didn't even loot him.
Okay, never mind. I see him running, 120, 105 up the hill. He stopped at a tree. Oh, he's knocked out.
We got 10 seconds almost.
I see a guy, I see a guy behind us. 240, 255, he's right there. Laying down.
We gotta get going.
He's behind the tree, directly 240. Look for it. He's behind the tree. Directly 240. You're gonna see him, Josh. You're gonna see him. Shit.
Got me.
Yeah, there's like 3 guys there. Jesus. Stay safe, catfish. Chill. We're gonna die. Yeah, we're dead. Don't try to save us. I wanna die on top of Josh. Take me. Maybe they'll think I'm a dead body. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna die anyway. Don't get up, don't get up, don't get up. Lay down. Let these guys kill each other. Only 6 alive. Try not to move. Stand still. Use your ult to look around. You know for sure that there's guys to your right by that tree.
Yes,
but
sir.
just chill.
We got 30.
And to get to the next safe zone, there's only 3 left.
Okay.
So it's probably you and 2 others, or it's 1v1v1. It's probably you versus 2 others. I'd start crawling though to the safe zone. Yeah. Use your ult. Look around. I don't know. Where did you hear shots from last, Josh? Was it up south?
I definitely have a guy to my right.
You might have died though. Wait, it's only one. It's a 1v1. It's a 1v1.
Shit. 10 seconds. Shit, I gotta go straight
Look
to.
Just keep crawling. Getting that high grass right in front of you. Looking around. Try not to peek this hill. Oh, you might have to. Okay, keep going. Look around for a second. Let's look around. Use your ult. Look around.
Crawl. Keep crawling.
Yeah, crawl a little bit.
Yeah, you're not in yet.
Oh, you're good. Stop.
Do you have any nades?
Smoke.
He Is that rock up there in Josh? I don't think it is. Smoke off an area. Get his attention somewhere else.
Yeah, he's like a pink boy.
Hold shit. This is bad. You're gonna. I hope he's to your right, honestly, because if he's up in front of you, you might be fucked because you have to go to him. But if he's to your right, I'd wait for him to. It's such a gamble, waiting for him to either run there or you run there. Look to your right. Look around. See if we can find him.
I got 15 seconds.
Start crawling. Just start. You threw that molly?
No, I didn't throw that.
Oh, so he threw it.
I got to get up.
Hold on. Is he in that? He's right there behind that rock. Behind that rock. Straight. Yep. Hit him in the head. Oh. I'd get up and start going.
Yeah, I
Gotta get up. Run to the rock. To the right of the rock. He's right there. Hit him in the head. To right. Go to the right. Hit him in the head. Oh.
Boom! Yes!
Good job.
Nice, Ross.
Now we got to all message Seth.
And I did it. And I... That's even better. You fucking suck, Seth. Quit. Hell yeah. Thanks, guys. Woo.
Oh, thank you.
And I recorded it.
Nice.
I actually remembered to do that while you guys were getting killed. I'm kidding.
Oh, thanks, buddy. I did not expect to win that. Yeah, me too.
Especially with me.
Yeah, you got the win. There we go.
Cool. I'm gonna get some. I don't know. Add me on Twitch or whatever if you guys want to play later.
I'll have to work here in a little bit, but I'll probably be on tomorrow.
Cool. I'm on the same time tomorrow, guys. Thanks, man.